Okay, the Reverie Q8 adjustable base. This is a 7+ minute review. If you're not going to watch the whole thing, just buy it now because this is a great bed. But if you do want to watch the whole thing, I'm going to try to put everything in here that I can because, you know, it's an expensive purchase. And when I was buying this bed, there wasn't a single review. I just kind of had to roll the dice for this. But you don't have to because I'm going to review every possible thing I can about this bed. I got pictures, videos, and at the end I have a lot of live action shots for you to check out. They're fantastic. All my guests loved it. I loved it. I pretty much started just sleeping on it. Then I looked up the Reverie Q8 adjustable base system. And if you do your research on this, Reverie makes the best adjustable base on the planet right now. The Q8 is second to none. Things like massage and underbed lighting are $1,000 upgrades on other adjustable beds, but you're getting the standard on the Reverie Q8. You saw me unboxing the mattresses and letting them come to their full size. Some people complained that it had a weird smell to it. I didn't really notice. It might have had a little bit, but it went away pretty quickly, so it's definitely not something I noticed. Let's talk about the base now because the company that delivered the base brought it up to the 3rd floor of my townhouse. They set it up, they showed me how to use it, and they got rid of all the packaging. One thing I want you to notice is the fabric that's actually around the base. I mean, this is really nice fabric. It's been upholstered beautifully. You're going to see a close-up shot here. You can see that attention to detail is just really good. Now you're also seeing the little mattress holders on the corners of the bed, and they're also wrapped in a fabric that matches the fabric around the frame. What these do is they keep the mattress in place. On some adjustable beds, they're metal and shiny, and they actually can go over the mattress. It makes them look like hospital beds. But here, they're very low profile, and they do their job. And to be honest, you're not going to notice them once you have your mattress on. You're just seeing some shots of the bed going up and down. They can operate individually, or they can actually operate together as one bed. This is actually a pretty good feature if you think about it, because in the future, if you wanted to use these for your kids maybe down the road as 2 separate beds, it's definitely something you could do. So I guess if you wanted to, you could take off the 2 inner mattress holders and you could just put one king mattress across it and make it operate as one bed. But I actually like the fact that it's 2 separate mattresses. I mean, there's a little space in the middle, but I don't mind it at all. And the amount of isolation that you get from your partner side is amazing. I mean, somebody could just be doing backflips on their side of the bed and you're not going to feel anything. So I want to talk about how heavy duty these bases are. I mean, you're not going to be able to move one of them by yourself, much less both of them. I mean, these things are really, really heavy duty. When you look underneath the bottom, or even just try to pick one up, you're going to see that, you know, these things were made to last. I wanted to point out a couple things in the photos. I've seen people asking if there's a lot of wires hanging down. I haven't experienced this. My Roomba can go underneath my bed, no problem. I actually found this out after I set my bed up, but there's three-prong power outlets underneath each bed. So you can plug one bed into another bed, and then you can plug your remote base station into each bed as well. So you really just need one outlet for the entire bed system. Okay, let's talk about the remote because it comes with 2 remotes and they have their own little base station. It has a USB port in the front, and in the back there's actually 2 additional AC outlets. So this would go great on a nightstand because you could plug your lamp or alarm clock right into that remote base station. The remote is backlit, and unfortunately it is battery powered, but I've had the same batteries in mine for 5 months in both of my remotes and no issues so far. Okay, next let's talk about the app because once you start using the app, I don't think you'll use the remote again. I mean, this is the iPhone app too, by the way. I haven't tried the Android one, but it's just really, really easy to use. It pairs right up as soon as you follow the directions from the screen, no problems. You're seeing the picture of it now. You can see there's 3 quick features. You can go quick to 0G. There's a quick 1-button anti-snore. Now you're seeing the massage. There's 4 different pulse wave combinations, and the intensity goes from 0 to 10 on both the head and the foot. And there you can see you can control the head and foot incline level individually, and the head level goes pretty high up. Okay, and this last part is a live demo, so check it out, and I hope this review's been helpful.